Welcome back to the shop. I'm Eric with Gettler Cycles. Today we're taking a quick look at and doing an install of this Trask Vented Transmission top cover on this M8 Street Glide. For the sake of the video, we are going to be removing the exhaust. This makes access in there a little bit better and makes it easier to get that old cover out and the new one back in. For those of you at home, you can install this transmission top cover without removing the exhaust. It is accessible through the primary side and can be done without any issues. The process will basically be the same. This particular bike is getting a new exhaust anyway, so we'll be installing this before the new pipe goes on. Now that we've got the exhaust off, gives us a little bit better perspective in here to this top cover. There are 6 bolts that we are going to be getting after, getting them removed and getting this out. Here's a look at the primary side of the bike. Again, you can access and remove the cover from this side, but taking the exhaust off does make everything a little bit easier. For this job, an assortment of stubby and or ball end 3/16 Allen tools is used. You can pair them with a quarter drive ratchet, and this goes a long way to gain access to the hardware, especially if the exhaust is not removed. As a lot of riders know by now, the Gen 1 M8 engines can experience crankcase pressure buildup and force oil mist out of the head breathers and into the intake tract. This can be especially noticeable on performance builds or during aggressive riding. The Trask vented top cover stabilizes internal pressures and improves overall engine efficiency. Once all the bolts are out, simply reach in and remove. With the top cover off, the rubber gasket will need to be removed from the stock cover to gain access to the vent tube. We're going to transfer this to the new Trask cover. With the covers side by side, you can see the difference in materials and overall quality. Before the new cover goes on, we like to install the vent hose. One extra step we do here in the shop that is not included with the kit is to add a clamp where the vent hose mounts to the cover fitting. This ensures the hose will stay secure and in its place. Make sure both surfaces are clean and clear of any residual oil or debris before placing the new top cover back on. Set it in its place and add a dab of Loctite to all 6 bolts before installing. Run all 6 bolts down evenly before final torque. Once all the hardware is snug, give it a quick wipe clean, and then we're going to route the vent hose and filter. This customer does have some extra wiring from a previously installed lighting system. Because of this, we'll be mounting the filter below the ABS block compared to where we would normally mount, which is to the right of the ABS block. Trask does recommend using the full length of hose, so route and secure accordingly. The vent filter is then installed and secured into its position. Overall, this is a fairly easy and straightforward install that will improve oil control and crankcase pressure management in Harley's 2017 and up M8 models. These covers are available in black or a chrome finish. Don't just take our word for it. Head on over to the site where you can shop for this and hundreds of other performance Harley parts with real rider reviews and feedback. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Hit us up with any questions you might have. We're here to help you get the right parts for your ride. Later.